Maharaja Savai Mansingh II Museum and the City Palace. So we have to take a ticket here and then go. This is the place we have to take. Entry for Indian with ID, adult 200. 200 rupees is the ticket to enter the City Palace. Now all silk items. Okay.
That gate is named Rajendra Pole.
Okay.
And there you can see balconies. They use it like a sitting arrangement servant. Flower reading purpose. Our king used a lot of elephants, so that's why they make like big gates.
Okay.
The elephant is like single marble pieces.
Single stone.
1931 timing, absolutely here. Our king born timing. And like brasses gates. All brasses one.
Brass gate. So big one. See brass gate. This side also you can see the brass gate till top.
That's like place. That's like palace. 7-story building. And our king live in palace now also. 5 members. I'll show you pictures also.
Now also they are living now?
Yeah. And you can see that flag, 5 colors flag. I show you in t-shirt,
Yeah.
in textile. Just like replicas also the selling here. Because people also demanded here. And that gate you can see that's like personal gate for king purpose.
Okay.
Personal gate.
So we can't go inside?
No. They converted that museum half part for public purpose, half part for self-purpose.
Okay. So if you take that 2000 rupees ticket, then we'll go inside also?
Then you go there, but that's like not like residential area. It's like open. Some part is like open part, and residential area is separate part. Yes, current family pictures is here. The 5 members live in palace. She's Rajmata, named Padmini Devi. She's daughter, named Diya Kumari. She's MP now this time in BJP.
What is her name?
She's Diya Kumari.
Diya Kumari. Okay.
Yes. And 1, 2, and 3. That's like daughter, son, daughter, childs.
Okay.
Okay. And our king don't have son, so that's why our king is adopted daughter, elder son. He's now king. Name is Savai Padamnath Singh.
Savai Padamnath Singh.
Yes, 24 years old. Now he's polo player, Indian polo team captain also, and he's doing study in England, Oxford University.
Okay.
And his brother, she is sister.
Okay.
The 5 members live in palace now, and this all money is going like in trust, not like any government interfere. Okay, that's like a private trust. Brasses gives the use.
Brass door.
Brass is like royalty. Chinese mirror, bring our gift king Ram Singh, that kind of gifted by Nepal king. That were designs mirror.
तुमने बनाया अब दोबारा ना बना पाओ।
That is the palace. Present king is living there.
Historical building back view.
Ah.
And this part is used for like parties, functions purpose, the timing. The timing queen's covering face will not allow sitting arrangement with king. So queen sitting arrangement is smaller windows. And here you can see 4 seasoning gates. That first like peacock gate rainy season, lotus gate summer season, rose gate third number, rose gate winter season, and green one is spring timing. That time they use.
Okay.
And the time is open, but now this time is covering museum 1959 after. Then only one gate is open, peacock gate.
Okay.
People came here for
So
photography.
we cannot see the front view of the palace.
No.
This is the back view.
Back view.
So present king and queen are there
Other parts.
staying. Okay.
Because this part is like very biggest part, 1.5 kilometer covering areas, but half part they open for public purpose.
Okay.
Okay.
ये तो पैलेस है ना, इसके पीछे
That is the entrance to the palace of present king. It's a private property. They will not allow inside. There's a,
Person meeting hall, used for like public person meeting hall purpose. This
Okay.
part area. And like arrows of dance decorated here, Suryavanshi design.
oh, okay. Is all guns?
Showing like sun designs. It's like silver port is Guinness Book recorded. Weight is 345 kg, 5 foot 3 inch height, and 900 gallon, about 4,091 liter water capacity. Our king uses this article for Ganga River water collection purpose, and 40,000 silver coins use it for making purpose. Inside you collect like Ganga River water.
So for drinking purpose, they used to store.
Very biggest. So like Ganga River water.
Sabha Niwas. They're all used cannons only.
Before they use, but now this time not use.
But originally they have used it.
It's like 16th century article. So inside gallery no photography.
Facilities. Baggi Khana.
Just like that. They use it for elephant purpose. And that part is open part.
This one, that
Before
palace.
the Sabha Niwas.
Sabha Niwas we seen just now. That is the one. Huh?
1959 after covering like wall. Before that wall is open.
Oh, it was open here, this side. Okay.
Public sitting arrangement is here.
Ha.
All like panels display. Under the time covering face, queens are not allowed sitting arrangement to go not with king, not allowed for going in the market. Why? Because they use like carpet. So carpet lock system is here. And our king have personal army. His name is Savai Manga. In the army. And 6 foot taller and Rajput. Not like other castes use it. After 1947, The army is like converted in government army. Second photo is like a 2011 in time.
Arms and weaponry.
Because like that time walking not have like camera facility, then artists making like paintings. They use it like scroll tile here. They make brush and stone colors. They use for like color one, and then after make paintings. You can see like art. Very smaller force. Look at this. But if you do zoom, then you can see the work. How can they do work? All gate, all you can see. If you want, check it. Come here. Zoom.
No, zoom is not coming.
Yes, and zoom. See the how many windows, gates, all things you can see workmanship. Yeah. So very deeply work, and they collected like Kari Kundan work. So they
Which
artists-
one? Maharaja?
Maharaja Bhavani Singh give these places for artists.
Okay.
The artists normally artists, the artists like national awarded, UNESCO awarded, and Padam Shri awarded. You can see Maharaja Bhavani Singh Gallery, friends of the museum. But inside no photography. Okay.
Here we can take, no?
Royal Family of Jaipur supporting and promoting artists.
This is the Jantar Mantar. Entry is 50 rupees. So watch some time measurement and astronomical instruments. Portrait one. This is for what we don't know here. Astronomical observation points.
वो यहाँ लगी आ रही ना कल किसी आने लगी
अभी 1 मिनट बाद और पड़ गया
1 मिनट बाद ये आ जाएगी आ रही ना जल्दी परफेक्ट काम करती नहीं
ऊपर काम करेगी तुम्हारे मर्जी से काम करेगी
कब होते हैं यहाँ पे
ऊपर मत चढ़ के लो
चढ़ना अलाउ थोड़ी है कहीं भी मत चढ़ना नो एंट्री है ये विश्व धरोहर में आता है
दिए जाओगे
पेटी है 360 डिग्री घूमती है 24 घंटे में तो अपने पूरे देखो रिंग के ऊपर 360 डिग्री लिखा है ये चाहे कोई इमेजनरी ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो आप ऊपर देखो लेफ्ट में वहाँ लिखा है 20 डिग्री ठीक है ऊपर ही पर वो हिंदी के नंबर 30 है तो ये हम 30 से गिनते हैं 30 29 28 27
So some instruments to measure time. Old equipments. Depending on that centerpiece, the shade falls below. So based on that, they calculate some astronomical events. Chakra Yantra. So ring instruments which measures the global coordinates of declination and the hour angle of celestial object.
पीछे का सीन आई
No entry to the down. So Jayaprakash Yantra. Depending on the shade, they will measure astronomical events. Different instruments to calculate different astronomical values, longitude, latitudes of celestial bodies and their distance, their location. They calculate by these instruments. So these all 12 Rashis. The position of 12 Rashis will be measured from a different equipment. So big equipments. Virat Samrat Yantra. Samrat Yantra is a study that can give the time to an accuracy of 2 seconds. The shadow of the triangular wall, which is placed in the north-south direction with an angle equal to the latitude of this location, moves equal distance in equal time intervals on the eastern and western side quadrants. This movement is calibrated to read the local time. The western and eastern quadrants are divided into 6 hours each for the morning and the afternoon segments respectively. Each hour is divided into 15 minutes and later in 1 minute parts. See, the scale is made till the top. How the shade is moves, accordingly time is calculated. So earlier they used to calculate time like this. So big instrument. So on that marbles, the all time divisions are marked. See the garden.
वीडियो बना रहे
Maharaja's first vehicle imported from London.